This is a quick introduction to Jamboards for writing across the curriculum. These virtual whiteboards will be used in small groups, as the whole community, and as individuals. This overview focuses on small group work and individual group, although the information applies to any Jamboard that you might encounter in writing across the curriculum. To begin with, the first virtual whiteboard will always have this layout where you have the activity, a prompt, and the board assignments. These breakout rooms correspond to different boards in the Jamboard that you'll be working in. You'll know that you're working as a group when you see this icon in the lower right side. Let's move to the next frame where we would have our board. Again, in this lower right-hand frame, we'll be reminded that we're working as a group, and then at the top left, you will always find either your name for an individual board or your breakout room number if you're working in small groups. When you're working in groups, we'll be primarily encouraging you to use sticky notes. I already have a note here. To get to a sticky note, you have the sticky note option on this left toolbar. Other items here are pen, eraser, pointer, images, shapes, text box, and laser. To add a sticky note, merely click on the icon. In the box, share your idea, and if you'd like, change the color. You can do several sticky notes at once, in the same color, or change colors for variety. Once you're done, cancel. Then, feel free to move your sticky note to different places on the shared board. So what if we're working as an individual? Just like in group boards, the first board will have an overview of the activity, prompt, and assignments. Only this time, your boards will be assigned one person per board, and the assignments will be listed in alphabetical order by your last name. You'll know that you're working on an individual board when you see this icon in the lower right side. To navigate, you would just go through the boards using the next frame or previous frame until you find the board with your name in the top left corner. Now here I have a section of a text box where I've already started typing. Let's say I want to add another comment. I would use the text box feature on this left side menu, and I could type another idea. There are a few modifications that you can make in font size, in font color, and in font layout. In addition to the text box and sticky notes, you may also want to free draw, either with your mouse or on a tablet. Here we have pens, markers, highlighters, and a brush, and these are the different colors that you can choose from. We could use a marker and write as I am with the mouse, and you could also use it to draw. That's it. That's how we're using Jamboards. For an individual board, look for your name in the top left and an individual icon in the lower right. For group boards, you'll be looking for your breakout room number in the top left, and then as a reminder, you have the group icon in the lower right. See you soon.